information about Cagayan National High School. So, what's your name? What's your name?
Marie Perez.
Marie Perez. Your father owned the CCT? Owns the CCT?
Okay.
You're pretty
Oh
rich.
my God,
How about
yeah.
you?
I'm Sabine Martin.
Yeah.
Wait, Buen Camino.
Your tito's Ricky Martin?
Yeah, Ricky Martin. How about the shy one? The shy one.
Yeah. Siya. So, how
How
about
about
your
her?
friend? Who's your friend?
Yeah. Hello.
Shy type, you know.
Hello. Shy type. Okay.
I thought it was Yang Constantino.
Wow,
He looks
yeah.
like Yang.
Oh my
What's
God.
your name? What's your name?
Name.
Maggie? Laura. Wow.
Wow, yeah.
What?
Amazing.
Obviously,
Amazing, right?
they're second-year students.
Yeah.
So why did you chose Cagayan National High School?
Yeah.
Chose Cagayan National High School. Why? Than other schools like St. Louis, St. Paul. Why?
It's simply because tuition fee is so affordable, mura.
Okay.
Sige.
Tuition fee!
Hey, someone's calling you.
Yeah, sige.
Ma'am.
Thank you very much.
There, ma'am.
Hi, this.
Oh, yeah. Hi, ma'am. Wait, ma'am, wait.
We will continue this documentation later. So
Yeah, later.
we'll take a short commercial break and now we will go to ESS. We have a break.
Yeah.
Continue. As you can see, they're leaving na. So
Okay.
we will interview some people.
Wait. Maingay. Yo, wait.
Ha? Wala.
Come on,
Wala
them.
kami.
Yo.
What's your name?
Yeah,
We're
what's
taking
your
a
name?
Documentation.
Yeah.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Michael. How about
Birthday
you?
na ngayon, no? Birthday
Hey,
na ngayon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. What's
Happy
your name?
birthday.
What's your name?
I'm Sharon Sabulan.
Kawilan.
Who's your daddy?
Sir Daddy.
Your daddy.
My daddy is my mommy.
Hey.
Fun. So,
How do you find our school? Shut up.